America has been stunning by a historic announcement. President Donald Trump has declared that May 17, 2026, the nation will rededicate itself to God. In his words, we were going to rededicate America as one nation under God. This proclamation has sparked powerful reaction across the country. Supporters see it as a return to America's spiritual roots, a reaffirmation of faith and unity at a time of division. Church and faith leaders are already preparing for what could be one of the most significant national observances in recent history. The praise Christ is King has begun trending across social platforms with millions of believers expressing joy and anticipation. For many, this movement represents more than politics. It is a call to moral renewal, a reminder of the values that shape the nation. Critics, however, are questioning the implication of such a move, raising debates about the separation of church and state. Yet, regardless of perspective, the announcement has undeniably captured the nation's attention. As May 17th approached, America stands at a crossroads, ready to witness a symbolic rededication that could echo through generation. Whether seen as a faith, tradition, or controversy, one thing is certain: this declaration has reignited a national conversation about identity, belief, and destiny.